Our story today features time, money, and death. Imagine a professor earning $400,000 a year. How much can he earn in a lifetime? If we add up 400 this year, 400 next year, and the next, and keep going, the sum is infinite. What's wrong with this calculation? The first problem is we don't live forever. Plus, we might get fired and have to live on our pension. This picture is a kind of Markov system, with rewards for each date and probabilities for transitions. But there's a more general problem with the calculation. If you were offered $100 to watch this video, would you want it right now or 1 year later? Almost everyone picks right now, because rewards in the future are not worth as much as rewards now. This idea is represented in economics with discount factors. Answers to this kind of sum can be found with value iteration.